on
it's
phone.
not about no leading on.
MsTripple, I am talking to you about something. When me I talk to you now, you never come to say, yo, where you talk on media. I talk to you after here a lot of time. Me tell your friend, in a December, with a check. Me tell your friend this, with everything, with the stalking. Me tell you how she bring me Tory to me enemy them. And when you reach January, me tell you how the police thing go. I've been telling you this more than several times.
And when you tell me it after, what you do? You bring it right on the media for everybody know. And what that do now?
People, stop it. Stop it,
You
Triple.
keep on the settings in a confidence and you blur
Stop
it out.
Triple. I didn't, Triple.
Make
Stop it. You are unfair if you say that I bring this to the media. You are lying on my name. You are lying on my name. You're not supposed to do that.
Well, Dawg.
How did I bring it on the media?
Well, Dawg, are you come ball it out over here?
Say what?
Body check, but all of them a pussy clot there. Are you come confirm it? You never have to say, I don't care how I ask you. Word Dawg, me ask you 1,000 times. Stop talk these things. Stop say these things. Not you come like
what
the more you chat.
What the hell? Triple, are you hearing what you're saying? You put Triple, are you hearing what you're saying?
Alright, who do it then?
Oh my fucking God. Are you listening to what I'm saying, Triple? Stop it, bro. I didn't once ever come and vent about the check until the other day. Blame them been a Yannick voice note. Blame them still a talk about it. I the one didn't know about it.
And no, we never believe or pay no mind until confirm. You have a thing them confirmation, World Dawg. It is speculation until confirmed.
Triple Dawg, no, me Triple, you want me look bad, brother.
I don't want you look bad, but
you want me look bad, bro.
All you have to do, I don't shut up. That's all you have to do.
No.
Your livelihood.
Try.
You know what? No points.
Yeah, well, no, you just step on one side and you just feel like
it is not one side. Me beg yourself to stop bring this. Una talk some things we can get it on in a fucking problem. And you do it's like una business and not a serious thing this.
Triple, you be unfair. You be unfair. You be unfair. You is being unfair.
How?
You are be unfair. Cause a months, you need the for my name, I'm not saying nothing. Months. I'm over here, so I'm hold it until man starts time in the street.
Nobody says she right, but she a woman World
Dawg. Don't do me that,
She's
Triple.
a woman.
Months me I hold this, Triple. Don't do this, Triple. Don't do this, Triple. Don't you dare do that, Triple. Don't you sit here and don't make me look like me I want pussy wall. A month me ignore it. A month me do it until me tell you say the man see me in a party and come to me about the Lambo. That's the first time I come and explain myself. Don't do this with me, Triple. You're making me look bad. Don't do this to me, Triple. The first time I came about this is when time I come on live. I was keeping church. And I keep the song say, my cup overflowed. And I burst out and said, you know what? Somebody see me in a party last night and said, the car, I talk about the car. That's how they start. Don't come and say, I bring nothing on the media when me not come and say. You don't say that to me, Triple. Listen what me I say, bro. Don't make me look like me at this pussy wall. Me not like that, Triple. I come and I defend my name. You don't have a brother to see how you feel. You're a top man from the street. And people are tell us, your enemy them are tell us, bro, you're a pussy. Your woman can come tell me, say, we dey on the phone bill. Them time I'm a liar, no serious. Yo, you're there on your woman phone bill. That's how your woman track you. Your woman can come tell us, say, oh, Triple, oh, your woman attack. Woman this and that. Bro, man, I'm a bomb clot alien, you know, bro. Me are not alien, me a human being like any blood clot body else. Me come and me beg you, even you, Triple. And me see you come here and say, do me this, dog. Me hurt you out. Because you are where me vent to you out. Me vent to you, dog.
You realize you come in my garage. Brought it to the media and you keep on
Triple, let me talk to you, dog. Me come over here and me have a reason. And I said to you on the screen, 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I vent to you for 4 hours, and I turned to you and I said, I will never, ever do this again. That's what I said to you, right? But instead of me going in the street and everything we are up in the house new, you still can't go road, go eerie. You still can't go road, go ear say, the buckle blue, and you jaggy buckle last night and cuss. You still can't hear say, the tire flat. You still can't come back and say, it closed up on the ground. Stop make me look like me come over here so a disrespect when me are raised about this. Oh, it look like, bro, me come and me take accountability, say, me cheat on Yannick. And I did accountability again, and I said, when me and Yannick wasn't together, we go on the trip. Oh, now beat me for on a trip when me and somebody know that together. You go beat me on a trip. You and Solitary left, and Solitary got Paris with a girl. You is gonna get mad, say you and Solitary left months, and you go Solitary go on a trip. We are talk like adult now. I mean, now you beat around the bush, I want you to answer me like an adult right now. If you claim say you and Solitary left, and you go and Solitary go up on a trip, right? Why you are get vexed? Say you got Solitary go up on a trip. Why? I'm want you just answer me either. Listen what me I say. More you just answer me either. Why you don't get mad or why you don't get mad? Because you and the man left months. So why you still in your feelings? Say me I do something. Why you still in your feelings? All right. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something again. One more thing again. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna allow you to make a talk after this. Let me ask you something. You live in our house with somebody, and somebody where you live with, you're not picking a problem with them. The person is going to Jamaica. She purposefully packed the suitcase in my room for sure. Say, I mean, this is what I tell you off live. So I know why you come and act like you don't know what I tell you about. She purposely packed the suitcase in my room with polo underpants, polo t-shirt, polo slippers, and whole heap of weed grinder, camera for house, and I dare and I watch her pack the suitcase. She leave to Jamaica, and I didn't call her one time. She sent a video to Bossiers when a man give her a rose and a champagne. This is when she was in Jamaica. I didn't go to DR yet. Let me ask you. No, turn on your blood clot, hey, Triple. Me, I ask you something. Let me ask you something. You go to Jamaica. You send one of my supporter a bottle of champagne and rose with man gear, and you say everything and everything good. Me have a video in my phone. Me come and me say, okay, me no business. That's and last week me know that when she sent me a video with me here on the phone, because we was on the phone. So me said, so boom, now I get the video and me see it. So oh no, me you left, you can go to Jamaica for 3 days. And me do what me have to do. Me still there house. Take care of what me have to take care of. So oh me now, what you want me show you? You want me show you?
No do that, no do that. Do
okay.
Me a video, no do that. Okay.
Okay. So hold on there. Oh, when me now take up myself and go to Jamaica, it's a problem, Triple. If you move out of house a week before that I left. So why if me go on a trip now? You say me you left. You go on a trip and me no bother you. So all my trip bother you when we show say we not there together.
Alright, hear me out. Just listen to me. We passed the trip stage. The trip is no longer.
Triple, I cannot talk to you no more. I cannot do it. And I swear to God, I have so much respect for you. I don't want to reach to a point where me you have it. Listen to me, I say. The people never say me have a point, and you just a beat around the bush. Every time I ask you something, you going around the fucking bush, and I have respect for you, and I don't want me to go down that road. So you know what I do? It's best thing I don't say nothing.
Alright, your boss says she have a problem because you go on the trip. Fine. What we are talking about now, what is the problem with us? We looking outside.
People, we didn't. So what
is the issue?
Chip, you know, say you are a one-sided person. You said forget about the trip, but 20 minutes ago you have the girl in the box asking her about the trip. But now when I come, explaining the trip. Yes, you the trip. I was on your live.
Oh,
I didn't miss a beat. I didn't miss a beat.
Well,
You asked her about the trip more than one time.
No,
and I come to you now and I explain about the trip. You're too biased for real. Oh, you know, let me explain yourself and give me benefit I don't.
Alright, explain yourself, bro. Like, explain yourself.
Triple. People in the comment section, me know who want done with me and everything. You and somebody say you leave from January. I went on the trip in April. Me and Yannick no correspond. We no live alongside each other. Me sleep in a different room. I have it that we left. You leave and go to Jamaica before me. Pack your suitcase. You talk on phone. Make me hear every conversation where you want me hear. I let you be. Now, all me go on a trip. I am a cheater. We wasn't together. We wasn't together. So you tell me, MsTripple, you delusional enough for a big woman to say you're solitary left. 5 months and you go on a trip over there, Sarkos? Come on, me I ask you something. Answer me even once. Answer me even once. You are somebody left for 5 months and you're going to still go back and forth with somebody about going on a trip when you go on a trip earlier? Me I reason with you now. Answer me, Triple. Would you do that? No. So why you make it look like me is a bad person?
Because I'm not making it look like you want to start from a point where that you want to cut off piece of the timeline and start from you want to start from and you can't.
Hold on, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something again. Hold on, let me ask you something again. You went on your trip, come back from Jamaica, you pack your suitcase, and I didn't search it one time. You come back literally in the room to unpack it and everything. I went on my trip and you searched all of my stuff them. If me and Yannick was together, I wouldn't go on a trip with Loyal because Loyal and me was supposed to go last year, October, for her birthday. And I give her 551 reasons not to go because I was still trying to be with Yannick and fix my family. Now, in January, when we go about the check and we have an argument and she called police on me, I told Yannick, I cannot be with you no more. She was trying to be with me and I said, Yannick, my point where you push me is, when you call police for me, any girl call police for me when me dead with, I walk away. And I'm here because the kids them same way. Me no come, me no try bash her. I talk to her many times after live. Let's do this for the kids. Stop go on live back and forth. Let's do this for the kids. Let's come together, save what we have to save, and do it for the kids. You can't, and I tell her, you can't have a man and me can't out here and do what me I do. Stop make it come like me out here a cheat upon you. Listen what me I say to you right now. Sons were gone, me and Yannick never there together. Dolly Sunday when you're gone, me and Yannick never there together. And Yannick can tell me everywhere me go. She still provoke me. And I turn to her and I say, yo, please stop. If you are bring down somebody on the internet, so, and you deal with me, make people laugh after me, why you want to be with a man who you still make people laugh after? Make that make sense, Triple. If solitary, make a woman laugh after you. And I tell her, me say, bro, me and you can't get together no more. Me got Dolly Sunday. You diss me. You make it come like me and you're there. I'm a go out and cheat on you. We wasn't together. You me got sons. You come here, you make your people that make you look like me a pussy wall. We wasn't together. Me and you not have sex, Yannick. Me and you not go together. Me not see you naked, you not see me naked. Me come in a room, me try borrow the remote, you kiss your teeth. Me try deal with you respectable. Me come in and me still follow back at you. You come and you paint a picture for me because you have a narrative, have a TikTok, hate me. So you come and make them hate me more. I turn to you and I say to you again, I have the text in my phone. You say, I sorry I call police for you. And you're sorry you make your father disrespect me. And I said, your father turned to me and said, then go and put me side my mother. You turn to me and you say, you put your father in place and this won't happen again. And I turn to you and say, Yannick, me know what me do wrong, me cheat for you, and I'm willing to walk away because you call police for me. Tell me if I'm not grown, me grown, if you tell Yannick that. I wasn't cheating on Yannick and leading her on. I was telling her to her face that you call police on me. And I cannot live with that because I will feel like you're going to do it again. That's why I did what I did. No, I am a respectable man. If me and Yannick was still together and loyal disrespect Yannick, I would click this live and I will disrespect Loyal and I will bring her to the ground and I will tell her that you're too bright for your take people, man. I mean, I left me blood clot woman, suck out Yannick tongue, lick her upon her body, have sex with her. I feel me wife this. You can't come mash up the home because I am not a careless man. I am a man who every woman me there with me protect full force. And that me there do with Yannick until we break up. When Kevin did come out and say, Yannick have the herpes and they give man and that's why man I shoot them. Me threaten Kevin and me and Yannick wasn't together. Kevin said, Yannick this him first. I leave it alone. If Loyal lep on the live and she want ear and them thing there, me nah make nobody this me woman when me there with. And if me and Yannick was together, Loyal could do what she had do. Cause a 1 year me a fuck Loyal before nobody on this blood clot planet find out. 1 year and couple months. So tell me now, if I was still with Yannick, would I sit here and make Loyal disrespect Yannick? No. Yannick would sit here side of me right now. I would have say, go girl, it's just a one fuck you get. Me and my man still there so now when I house. It's the same Lambo where you're driving and me have a key right now. Do you have a key? Do you have this? People don't see point where me I try make. Do you see the point where me I try make?
Alright, hear what?
No, not hear what me I say.
When she called police for you, when was that?
January. Hold on. Me have a picture. Wait.
And you say once
well, I'm not MsTripple man. You ask me, I'm not like you.
Me just did one.
This is what me I say. I'm not like you. I am gonna deal with it and answer you by answer. I'm not stay like you. You're not gonna beat around a bush. Let me tell you. Hold on there. January 16, everything start.
All right. And you say once somebody call police for you, that you're done.
Yes.
So you actually done from January.
Yes.
All right. So now listen to this, and this is why you feel like me against you or something, but you're sending mixed signals because how can you send this message the 1st of March? Listen. Happiest birthday, my love. Hope you are wonderful. Have a wonderful night. Tonight, I will be waiting on you. I love you with all my heart. And nothing can stop that. Big up for everything you have done for me. But today it's all about you. You get the mixed signals? You get it?
Hold on. Read the top of that. Read the top of that. She not said the top of that. Hold on,
no, she posts up on her story and I mean she
hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, let me restart. Don't move. Me restart.
Don't restart.
Me I get restricted. I'm live in the frost. I am coming.